to another video. This time we are doing a resin bound driveway over in sunny Surrey. As you can see, it's cold. We have got this old hired driveway which has been used to renovate this absolutely fantastic property, and we are going to excavate this area. We're going to take out this this old tired tarmac driveway with concrete underneath it. We're going to break it all up with a breaker and this bit of driveway over here, and then we're going to pull it all out. We're going to base it up, we're going to put our edgings in, and we're going to edge it all up. We're going to base out the driveway. You can use some permeable concrete, and we're going to put a fantastic resin finish down, and this is going to change the frontage of the home and make it look absolutely phenomenal. So please keep watching the video for how we complete the process. Thank you very much. Driveway at the moment, that will be getting removed very shortly. please subscribe, please like, please comment. It really helps us to improve this content and give you guys what you want. Thank you.